the snowplow's hot on my tail. Just got a package. I'm pretty sure that it's all my light switches and my robot butler that will turn on and off the light switches. Robot butler. And light switches that I can control on my phone. I also got a little smart plug for something else, I don't know. See what I'll use it for. Maybe the Christmas tree. Perfect. After looking at it, it looks like it's going to be too big of a deal for me to do. A lot of these wires are painted and I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to have someone do it for me tomorrow. But tonight I'm going to get this set up. See how it works. Neato.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup.
That's
Just
creepy.
follow the instructions in your Alexa app.